Feeling under the weather or cracking your mind what to make? This is the best comfort food, a simple nutritional porridge. Firstly, remove the measuring cup, then add the onions and ginger. We will cover the measuring cup and chop 5 seconds, speed 5. Scrape down the mixing bowl sides. Then we will add ghee, cinnamon stick, black peppercorns, turmeric powder, and we will saute it at 4 minutes, 120 degrees Celsius at spoon mode. It is well sauteed. Let's add some water and salt. Let's go to kettle mode to boil the water at 100 degrees Celsius. Once it's done, you will add the drained rice and moong dal. Cook for 30 minutes, 98 degrees Celsius, reverse speed 1. Here we have our khichdi. It is ready to consume warm. The best comfort food you will ever get.